Hey everyone! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Some of these were puzzling. Yeah, not what you'd expect.
This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of Fast Shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Skipping breakfast can be a bad habit that can have negative consequences for your health. Good health is essential for preserving a healthy body weight, having adequate energy to get within the day, and preventing diseases. When you skip breakfast, you are more likely to make unhealthy food choices later in the day, and you are also more likely to overeat. Skipping breakfast can also cause you to miss out on crucial nutrients like vitamins and minerals. There's something about overcast days that can be good for your health. Maybe it's the relaxed feeling you get when the sun isn't beating down on you. Or maybe it's the fact that you don't have to worry about getting a sunburn. Whatever the reason, there's no denying that overcast days can be good for your health. Playing with wooden puzzles can be good for your health in many ways. Good hand-eye coordination is vital to solve puzzles, and this can help enhance your overall coordination. Also, puzzling helps improve your problem-solving skills. And finally, the act of playing with puzzles can help relieve stress and nourish relaxation. So next time you're searching for a way to enhance your health, consider picking up a wooden puzzle. If you're trying to find a way to sleep better, think about listening to the sound of rain. Studies have shown that the sound of rain can help people fall asleep more quickly and sleep more soundly. What's more, the health benefits of sleep are well documented.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try Fast Shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of Fast Shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time!